If you are wondering if you can expect Android 17 update on Google Pixel 10a, then the answer is yes. Google Pixel 10a will receive the Android 17 update. However, it is at least right now unknown when you can expect the Android 17 to be rolled out for Google Pixel 10a. You can of course go to the system settings on your phone and tap on software updates in order to check if there is a new update waiting for you. You can tap on check for update, for example, over here. And right now, as I am recording this video, then unfortunately there is no information yet. There are some beta versions released that you can get on Google Pixel 10a, but of course the official date for the official release is not announced yet. Now, you don't have to worry about, of course, whether you will or will not receive the Android 17 update, because Google Pixel 10a is supposed to receive 7 major Android upgrades. So Android 17 is surely coming to Google Pixel 10a eventually, or maybe when you're watching this video in the future, maybe the Android 17 is already there. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.